Hey gang, I told you when I opened the 2019 Stars and Stripes that I had another box of 17 coming. Of course, I don't know what order I'm going to upload these videos in, so that might not make any sense. But anyways, that's what I have. I'm taking another trip down memory lane and opening another box of 17 Stars and Stripes. You know, I opened a buttload of 18. I mean a buttload. A whole case, plus many individual boxes. And oh, even opened one or two blaster cases of that stuff. But I haven't opened nearly as much 17, and 17 has some good key rookies in it. So I was just looking for something to open and stumbled across this. The price of Stars and Stripes stuff is always very affordable. It doesn't hurt to buy it. So I thought, why not? So it looks like we got 3 fatter packs and 2 skinnies. 17 and 18 are good about giving bonus hits, but even if you don't, you're getting 5 hits per. So let's get to it. Shouldn't take very long since there are just 5 packs. Gabe Brigones, Bryce Terang, very nice. Mitchell Stone, Ethan Hankins to $3.99. 17U national team, that is a sticker auto. Zach Collins, longevity parallel. Logan Allen, Kyle Wright, and Brendan McKay, which is one of the key rookies that are in here. Royce Lewis, another one that you can get. Tim Cate, Jaron Kendall, not bad. And yes, a Jaron Kendall autograph. Although a little bit of a there's a little bit of a, not a ding, but kind of like a little bend kind of there. That sucks. And this on card too. Oh well, somebody else still want it, probably just for their personal collection. Can't grade it, but can keep it. What do we have here? A Dalton Jeffries longevity parallel. Alex Fado, Ken Griffey Jr., and Cole Staub. I think it's Staub. Alright, next up, Jake Berger, Alex Bregman, yeah, I forgot he was in here. Brian Reynolds, Tony Jacob, Silhouette Signatures auto jersey, another sticker auto. Wesley Scott longevity parallel. Robert Tyler, William Benson, and Bobby Dalbeck. Anthony K. Team Checklist. Nick Gorby to $1.99. Tools of the Trade. Quad Relic. And then a Devin Hairston on-card autograph to $4.99. That's not bad. This would be a pretty good box with this and the Jaron Kendall if the Jaron hadn't been a little bit banged up. Reggie Lawson longevity. Tristan Casas, nice. Logan Shore and Zach Birdie. Alright, last pack. Told you it wouldn't take long. Reggie Lawson, Dalton Jeffries, Zach Collins, Jake Berger to $99. That's good. That's good. Very good. Yeah, this was a good box. If only that one card wasn't damaged. Dadgummit. Can't win them all, I guess. Gabe, longevity. Ian Anderson, Wesley Scott, and Ryan Vlad. Yeah, definitely not bad. Jake Berger is not bad. Devin Hairston, not bad. Nick Gorby, I don't know a lot about. Tony Jacob. Jaron Kendall is good, but, and Ethan Hankins. Alright, that's it. 17 Stars and Stripes. Thanks for watching this 4-minute long video. Take care. Bye.